Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Guys, this is the Silver and Gold Tablescape Part 2. After I shot the video that you hopefully just watched, Part 1, I decided to tweak my silver and gold tablescape a little bit. There were a couple things I just didn't like or thought I could improve. And I'm going to get closer and show you what I did and how I changed it up. So these are the placemats that I used in the first video. You'll see they're just plain silver placemats, inexpensive placemats that I got at Burlington, I believe. They were $5.99, so really inexpensive. I kept the silver and white runner. Love this runner in the middle of the table. I kept the same glassware, but I layered the plates differently. If you remember in the other video, I think I had, I didn't have the gold plates here. What I did is I layered these plates, layered the setting with the gold, then a white plate, then a gold saucer, put the napkin on top. I decided to add gold silverware and just lay that right on the silver placemats. I kept the silver glasses, and I'm using those really just to hold the tea lights there. I switched out the pillows. In the video that you just saw, I had the silver pillows in these chairs. When I really looked at it, when I put these pillows in, it just seemed to make the table pop a little bit more. Also, the centerpiece kept the same Eiffel Tower vase. This is just a little DIY centerpiece with some greenery draping down, and it's an Eiffel Tower vase that I've had for years. I kept the little mirror there that I had in the other video, but instead of covering it with a plate, I just left that exposed so you can see it. And then I added a layer of gold. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to get a little closer so you can look at that. A layer of gold between the silver and the mirror, the silver runner, or white and silver runner and the mirror. And it's just a gold placemat that I've used before under my centerpiece there. So I actually think this came out even better. I also took the lights off the table that I had on, the little battery powered lights. And I'll pan around some more so you can see. I think I like this better, and I may keep it like this for a little bit. But I'll get up close so you can see what each setting looks like. Let me put the glass back there. Silver and gold, guys. Silver, gold, and white. Those are my colors. I just love them together. To me, when you mix your metals, you get a lot more depth. It's more elegant. I'll come around again on this side. It's another view. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Like I said, I liked it before because I liked the idea of the silver and gold. But, and again, I have a lot of silver and gold pieces in my curio, but for some reason I think it's more understated, and I don't know, I think it's pretty. But anyway, you guys tell me what you think. Do you prefer it this way, or do you prefer the way I did it in the silver and gold video part 1? There you go. I'll go around a little more. There you go. Oh, and I think I've told you guys before where I got everything on the table, so I don't have to go through it. But if I didn't mention it before, this gold silverware comes from Walmart. Looks great, but it's really not that expensive. Everything else I've told you about before. These glasses, I think one set came from Ross, the other one came from Home Goods. The napkins came from Home Goods. These little things came from the at-home store. Again, like I said, the placemats, really inexpensive. Got those at Burlington. The pillows are pillows that I already had. They were in my living room at one point. I just moved them in here. And this runner, I have this runner in 3 colors. Blue and white, silver and white, and I have a gold and ivory one that you saw if you watched my Valentines challenge video, my Valentine coffee bar. They were really inexpensive too. I think I paid about $8 for each of them at Ross. So there it is. That's my take on it. Let me know what you guys think. Silver and gold part 2, or do you like silver and gold part 1? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great, great evening.